Awesome fellow traders. Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So as per my yesterday's video, so at this point, looking at this candle, once this candle is closed, very important, this candle must closed below the previous candle as a bearish candle. Once we have that, we have the price then made a new low, then with a pullback and keep on taking shots. We were waiting for the price to break below this low, and close is very important. So once we have a close, we're going to start to look for the pullback entry bearish. So as you can see, the wicks has gone down, which we did not want to see for the bearish trades, and the body did not close below this rejection area. That is why I can see a buying pressure at this area, and I can also see a kind of minor double bottom action right here. So that could push our price higher, and that could hit 50 EMA, and that could likely reverse from here as well. Now if you're someone who want to take a risk, that's totally up to you. I'll tell you what I'm going to do for my personal trades. Someone who wants to take a risk, if this candle closes as a bullish engulfing candle, you can keep your stop loss below and take profit. You can go 1-to-1 initially, and then it's totally up to you how you want to manage it. From the zones, I normally manage to 1.2 to 1 to 4 to 1 risk reward to risk ratio. So that is something if you want to take a risk by keeping your stop loss there as well, which is very, very important. Now personally, I would like to see either a break above 50 EMA and then a pullback, and then I'm going to start to look for my bullish trades. Or if the price, let's say, won't break below 50 EMA and price forms a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, in that case I will go short. So I will go for a little scalp and then I will exit my trade if we have a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA. Otherwise, for my next bearish trades, for bearish pullback trades, if you are my students, you know what pullback entries are. Then my little line here at the previous low, once we have broken below this line, then we have a confirmation that price now wants to completely push lower. I'm going to start to look for a pullback entry bearish once we have broken below this low. Very important, with the body, not with the wick. And if we have that, we have a likely chance the price will push down to this minor anchor level and possibly to this major support area, which was mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at. Now looking at the fact we have a buying pressure as wicks has gone down and the body has not closed below, that is why it is a chance that price will push up from here as well. Again, for the risky traders, if you really want to take a risk, then I'll keep my stop loss below this wicks, or I'll go 1 ATR below this wick so that you align with stop loss and take profit and don't get yourself caught up with a liquidity sweep. That is why ATR is very important. So keep your stop loss below here with the ATR and then 1-to-1 initially. Exactly same here on Ovanda. It is not a bullish engulfer but a bullish candle, and looking at this minor double bottom action right here, exactly same. Stop loss can be below and take profit can be 1-to-1. If we have a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, for me, in that case I'll go short for the little scalp unless and until we are not broken below here this line. And close is very important. Once we have a close, in that case I'll start to look for my bearish trade till we are in the zone below right here. That is why I keep you guys informed every day with every single move. Once the condition changes, I keep you guys informed as well. So now looking at these wicks, we have a possible chance that we can get a bounce from here, and for the complete bullish confirmation, I really want to see a complete break above 50 EMA and start to look for next buying trades. So still in the zone, as you can see previously, this zone has acted as a good level of support right here. That is why I'm still looking at this level for a possible bounce out of. Once broken below with the body, we start to look for the bearish trades. Now here on NEMEX, I'm looking at this platform on NEMEX NG1 ticker. The contract has been rolled over automatically, as you can see the info right here. Now the reason I'm looking at this platform, because we have a previous data on this platform right here. But if you look at, one of the traders commented me to look at this platform. As you can see, we do not have much of data right here on this platform, but the price action looks almost similar. That is why I'm looking at this platform. Now this level, as you can see, previously acted as a good level of resistance and support and not completely broken below with a body. So that is why this level 2.012 goes to 2.084 is an area from where we can expect some possible bounce out of, looking at this minor double bottom pattern. And rejection from this area. If we have a push up, break over 50 EMA, in that case we have a trend continuation towards the upside. So again, for the risky traders, if you want to take this trade, that would be a valid trade, and keep your stop loss below the wick, 1 ATR below the wick, and then you can go 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and then manage it is totally up to you. Next up we have gold. Exactly same on gold as yesterday. Once we have broken below this little anchor, only then we're going to start to look for bearish confirmation trades. Now heads up here, if the price, let's say, won't break below this low and just pushes up dramatically above this high, in that case we have a change of trend and I'm going to start to look for my buying condition. Now that is why conditions are really important in trading. The condition changes, we need to figure that out and take the trades according to that. First, I'll be observing this market. If broken below, then we have a confirmation of a downtrend as price has made a new low. We have a pullback, new low, pullback. If we have a new low, broke below this low, and then we're going to start to look for bearish trade. If not, let's say if the price won't break below this low, in that case, if we have broken above this high right here, we have a change of trend and price will likely push up, and we're going to start to look for the pullback entry bullish only. Right here on silver, exactly the same. Aggressive entry has been triggered. Now we have a zone above. I'm paying attention for my possible sell trades. It's 28.83, goes up to 29.34. If you have a push up to this zone and price from bearish engulfers a double top, it is an area from where I will look to enter my sell trade. Otherwise, if the price won't make it to the level above and forms bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, I'm going to go short again. So only taking sell trades either from below 50 EMA or either from the zone I've just mentioned. Lastly, we have crude oil dramatically pushing lower. As mentioned yesterday that we are only looking for bearish trade for crude oil. Once we have broken below this line, that has happened. We have closed as well. So close is very important, like I mentioned. That shows a confirmation of a change of a trend continuation. So here we have a trend continuation towards the bearish side. Now we can expect some good pullback. That is what I'm expecting to 50 EMA. If we have that with the bearish engulfer, we're going to go short. If we have a pullback below 20 EMA as well, or in between 20 and 50 EMA as well with the bearish engulfer, valid bearish engulfer, that will be my valid sell condition. So only looking for pullback entry below 50 EMA. Now the condition meets the next condition I want to see is a valid bearish engulfing pattern. If we have a dramatic push up to the zone above, then this is an area from where I will look into enter my trades as well with bearish engulfers or double top entry condition. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.